Wild boars are fascinating creatures. These animals have captured the interest of many due to their unique characteristics and behaviors. They are found all over the world, inhabiting a wide range of environments from dense forests to open grasslands. These adaptable animals are known for their strength and intelligence. They can navigate through tough terrains and find food in the most challenging conditions. Wild boars are an important part of many ecosystems. They play a crucial role in maintaining the balance of their habitats by foraging and interacting with other wildlife. Wild boars are closely related to domestic pigs. Despite their differences in appearance and behavior, they share many genetic similarities. They share a common ancestor, which dates back millions of years. This ancient lineage has given rise to the diverse species we see today. However, wild boars have adapted to survive in the wild. Their ability to thrive in harsh conditions is a testament to their resilience and adaptability. They are covered in coarse hair and have sharp tusks. These physical features help them protect themselves from predators and forage for food. Wild boars are truly remarkable animals. Their unique behaviors and adaptability make them a subject of fascination for researchers and wildlife enthusiasts alike. Wild boars are very adaptable creatures. They can adjust to different environments and find ways to survive and thrive. They can live in a variety of habitats. From dense forests to open grasslands, wild boars have the ability to make any environment their home. From forests to grasslands, they thrive in many environments. Their adaptability allows them to exploit a wide range of food sources and shelter options. This adaptability is one of the reasons why wild boars are so successful. They can survive in various climates and conditions, making them one of the most resilient species in the animal kingdom. They continue to amaze researchers with their ability to survive. Studies on wild boars provide valuable insights into their behavior, ecology, and the ways they interact with their environment. Wild boars are also known for their strong social structures. They often live in groups called sounders, which consist of females and their young. These social groups help them protect each other and increase their chances of survival. The bonds within a sounder are strong and they work together to find food and defend against predators. Wild boars are also adept at adapting to seasonal changes. They can adjust their foraging habits and behaviors to cope with the changing availability of food and resources throughout the year. In recent years, wild boars have also been seen adapting to human-altered landscapes. They are increasingly found near urban areas where they forage for food and navigate through human settlements. Conservation efforts are underway to study and protect wild boar populations. Understanding their behavior and ecology is crucial for developing effective management strategies. Wild boars are a testament to the resilience and adaptability of wildlife. Their ability to thrive in diverse environments and conditions makes them a truly remarkable species. As we continue to learn more about these fascinating creatures, we gain a deeper appreciation for their role in the natural world and the importance of preserving their habitats. Wild boars have a distinctive appearance. Their bodies are stocky and powerful. They are covered in bristly hair that can range in color. Some are brown, black, or even reddish. This hair provides insulation and protection. One of their most recognizable features is their tusks. Both males and females have tusks. These tusks grow continuously throughout their lives. Wild boars use their tusks for defense and for finding food. Wild boars have a keen sense of smell. This helps them locate food. They also have good hearing, but their eyesight is not as strong. They rely on their other senses to navigate their environment. Wild boars are highly adaptable animals. They are found in a variety of habitats across the world. They prefer areas with dense vegetation. This provides cover from predators. Forests, grasslands, and wetlands are all suitable habitats. They are even found in some urban areas. Their ability to adapt to different environments is a testament to their resilience. Wild boars need access to water. They often wallow in mud to cool off. This also helps them get rid of parasites. These behaviors are essential for their survival. Wild boars are omnivorous animals. This means they eat both plants and animals. Their diet varies depending on the season and their location. They are opportunistic eaters, taking advantage of available food sources. A large part of their diet consists of plant matter. They eat roots, tubers, fruits, and nuts. They also consume insects, worms, and small animals. Their varied diet contributes to their adaptability. Wild boars use their strong snouts to root in the ground for food. Their tusks help them dig up roots and tubers. They play an important role in their ecosystem by spreading seeds and tilling the soil. Section 5. Family matters, social structure and reproduction. Wild boars live in groups called sounders. These groups are usually made up of females and their young. Adult males called boars are often solitary. They only join the sounder during the breeding season. Female wild boars give birth to litters of piglets. The piglets are born with stripes for camouflage. They stay with their mother for several months. During this time they learn important survival skills. The social structure of wild boars is complex. There is a hierarchy within the sounder. Older, more experienced females are usually dominant. This social structure helps maintain order within the group. Section 6. Nature's plow. The ecological impact of wild boars. Wild boars, often seen as mere forest dwellers, are actually key players in their ecosystems. Their presence and activities can shape the environment in profound ways. Wild boars play a significant role in their ecosystems. These creatures, with their robust bodies and keen snouts, are constantly on the move, interacting with their surroundings in ways that can be both beneficial and detrimental. Their rooting behavior can have both positive and negative impacts on the environment. By digging and turning over the soil, they create a dynamic landscape that can foster new plant growth, but also lead to soil erosion. It is important to understand these impacts to manage their populations effectively. Ecologists and wildlife managers spend countless hours studying these animals to develop strategies that balance their ecological benefits with their potential harm. On the one hand, their rooting helps to turn over the soil. This natural tilling process can aerate the soil, making it more fertile and conducive to plant growth. This can be beneficial for plant growth. New plants can take root in the freshly turned soil, leading to increased biodiversity and a healthier forest ecosystem. It can also help to control populations of certain insects and small animals. By disturbing the ground, wild boars can disrupt the habitats of pests, keeping their numbers in check and preventing overpopulation. On the other hand, their rooting can also damage crops and gardens. Farmers and gardeners often find their hard work undone by these animals, leading to significant economic losses and frustration. They can also disturb the soil and vegetation in sensitive habitats. In protected areas, where the balance of nature is delicate, the presence of wild boars can lead to the destruction of rare plants and the displacement of native wildlife. This can have negative consequences for other plant and animal species. The disruption caused by wild boars can ripple through the ecosystem, affecting everything from the smallest insects to the largest predators. Understanding and managing the ecological impact of wild boars is crucial for maintaining the health and balance of our natural world. Section 7. When wild and human worlds collide. As human populations expand, interactions between humans and wild boars are becoming more common. These interactions can lead to conflicts. These conflicts often arise from competition for resources. Wild boars can cause damage to crops and property. This can lead to economic losses for farmers and homeowners. They can also pose a safety risk to humans if they feel threatened. It is important to find ways to coexist with wild boars. This includes implementing measures to prevent conflicts. These measures can include fencing, habitat modification, and population control. Section 8. Living in harmony, conservation, and management. Managing wild boar populations is essential for balancing their ecological role with human interests. This involves a combination of approaches tailored to specific regions and their unique challenges. Hunting is one method used to regulate wild boar numbers. It can help to reduce crop damage and prevent overgrazing. However, it is crucial to ensure that hunting is sustainable and does not harm the overall population. Other management strategies include trapping and relocating wild boars. Public education is also crucial for promoting responsible interactions with these animals. By understanding their behavior and taking appropriate precautions, humans can minimize conflicts. Section 9. The future of wild boars. A balancing act. The future of wild boars depends on our ability to manage their populations effectively. This requires a delicate balance between conservation and control. We must ensure that wild boars have enough habitat to thrive. At the same time, we need to mitigate the negative impacts they can have on human activities and ecosystems. This requires ongoing research and adaptive management strategies. By working together, we can ensure that wild boars continue to play their vital role in the world's ecosystems. Their resilience and adaptability are qualities to be admired. Section 10. Conclusion. Respecting the wild boar's place in the world. Wild boars are fascinating and adaptable creatures. They have roamed the forests and woodlands for centuries, playing a crucial role in maintaining the balance of their ecosystems. Their presence is a testament to the resilience and adaptability of wildlife. They are an integral part of many ecosystems. Wild boars contribute to the health of the forest by foraging, which helps in seed dispersal and soil aeration. Their activities create microhabitats for other species, fostering biodiversity. Their intelligence and resilience are remarkable. Wild boars have demonstrated problem-solving abilities and a keen sense of their environment. They can navigate complex terrains and adapt to various challenges, showcasing their survival skills. However, their presence can also lead to conflicts with humans. As human populations expand and encroach on natural habitats, encounters with wild boars become more frequent. These interactions can result in damage to crops and property, leading to tension between humans and wildlife. It is our responsibility to manage these conflicts responsibly. Effective wildlife management strategies are essential to mitigate these issues. This includes setting up barriers, implementing non-lethal deterrents, and educating communities about living alongside wild boars. We must find ways to coexist with wild boars. Coexistence requires understanding and respect for these animals. By recognizing their role in the ecosystem and the challenges they face, we can develop strategies that benefit both humans and wildlife. This includes respecting their space and taking steps to prevent negative interactions. Simple measures like installing protective fencing, placing educational signs, and being mindful while hiking in boar territories can make a significant difference. By understanding wild boars and implementing effective management strategies, we can ensure their survival for generations to come. Conservation efforts are crucial in preserving their habitats and promoting sustainable coexistence. They are a reminder of the wildness that exists in our world. Wild boars symbolize the untamed and raw beauty of nature, reminding us of the importance of preserving these wild spaces. We must strive to protect that wildness. By safeguarding natural areas and supporting wildlife conservation initiatives, we can ensure that wild boars and other species continue to thrive in their natural habitats. Our efforts today will shape the future of our planet's biodiversity.